Hello and welcome to EveryDadDIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be taking a look at these ratchet clamps made by Wolfcraft. We're going to take them out, have it tested them, see what the overall quality is like and just generally have a look at them. So yeah, stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so first thing as always is let's have a look around it and see what they're like. So first thing I notice is we have a metal clamping system here, which is really good. It's not plastic or anything like that. Obviously if it was plastic it wouldn't last very long, but the metal should last really good, hopefully. We've got our kind of a rubberized handle here as well, which is nice to hold on to. We've got a release button there. Then we have our jaws just here, which are swiveling, which is nice. So if you're clamping something that's not square, it should work okay. We've also kind of got a little groove going across the jaws as well, so if you're clamping something on the corner or maybe something that's round, it should hold on pretty good. Yeah, so there's not really much else I can tell. The quality feels fairly good, which I kind of expect from Wolfcraft at this point. So yeah, let's clamp some things and see how they perform. Okay, so let's have a play about with them then and see how they feel. So I think clamping something down to a desk is going to be a good use case for them. Quite easy to use one-handed, which is really good. It's the whole point of them, I think, is that they're one-handed clamps, and you know, you can hold something down while you clamp it. They actually released very easy there as well, which was nice. Often you get clamps and once you clamp them down they're very hard to open up. You end up hurting your fingers trying to open them, but then they released very easy. So also if you're gluing something up, just to hold it together while it's gluing, I think they're going to be ideal for something like that. Overall they just feel really good in my hand. I can't complain about them. They have good clamping force, they feel good, and yeah, the ratcheting and releasing works very well, so very impressed with them. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the video. As I said, I really like the clamps. I think they work really well and definitely worth picking up. So if you're looking for a set, I'll leave a link down below. Other than that, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.